Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, October 31, 2020. Today's video is about candy apple. Candy apples, also known as toffee apples outside North America, are whole apples covered in a sugar candy coating, sometimes followed by rolling them in nuts, with a stick inserted as a handle. These are a common treat at autumn festivals in Western culture in the Northern Hemisphere, such as Halloween, because these festivals occur in the wake of annual apple harvests. According to one source, candy apples were invented by Newark candy maker William W. Kolb in 1908 while experimenting in his candy shop with red cinnamon candy for the Christmas trade. This photograph shows a candy apple coated with red caramel and covered in chopped peanuts. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.